Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for this 22nd of November 2023. Starting with Forex Factory, see what's happening. We have AUD news at 8:35 a.m. AUD prices may affect the gold as well. And Euro 9 a.m. But the one more we interested in USD 1:30 p.m. All these times are UK times, right? And as you can see that this is the US this unemployment claim, that's what 130, that's what where we are more interested in. And then we have two low impact, medium impact news, and for 3 p.m. we're having another heavy impact USD, and CAT 4:30 p.m. that may affect the gold prices as well. So see unemployment claims, if actual less than forecast is good for currency. So forecast is 2 to 6 and actually is less than, it's good for currency. And the 3 p.m. greater than forecast is good for currency. So let's see. The movement forecast is slightly greater and here slightly lower. So it's possible that gold may come down with the news effect. And going to the dollar index, Dixie, or also USDX, this is a daily chart, and you can see the steady movement to the downside after breaking of this level and a retest on here. We can see the sharp. The retest has been done, not fully, but still it's a retest. The sharp movement, this retest can happen instead of going market here or here to do the test area. And it's a daily retest, and at the moment we have this level. I'm expecting this level to be broken, however, may range before it goes down. Looking at 4 hours, the rejection period has been formed here because of this order block here, going into 1 hour. This is the situation. Going to the weekly, and there are Fibonacci level. The market is standing at 0.5 level, and which is the level mainly interested in these two levels, 50 at 60, 60 0.61 level. So these are the level where normally rejections happen. So possible it may be bounce back to this level and then come down. But let's see. So that's the situation at the moment for Dixie. And now looking at gold. Today, this is the 2 days movement in gold, but let's see what's in the bigger time frame, what's happening. And going into daily. In fact, we can go to weekly and this 0.38 level has been tested and market went to the upside. It's highly bullish, and now this is a level here, 2008 level. This is a weekly level. So it's possible that market can range here or even come down, retest this level again in weekly. It is possible. But let's see what the situation in smaller time frame is. But don't forget the week hasn't been finished yet, only Wednesday. So it's possible they can break this level and touch the higher prices. These are the all-time highs. So it is possible if it breaks the level, goes and come to these higher prices. The all-time high is 2082. That's the all-time high. Looking into smaller time frame, let's go to 4 hour first. This is a situation in 4 hours. Rejection from here. Now there's a possibility that the market consolidate here or come down or even break it. But this kind of pattern on the can mean that it go up. But let's see if I go into the line chart, what kind of scenario we are here. See, this level has been broken and it's possible this level has been retested, and then we can possibility this level can be broken as well. So let me go to candles again. And if I consider this low and this high using Fibonacci level, I'm expecting the bounce market reversing from this level to 0.3 or 0.23 even. Possible that it can reject from here and move to the upside. Even in daily time frame, let's see what's daily. The daily, although there's a huge rejection in daily, but market momentum shows that it may break this level from where the market has reversed. It's possible that it can break this level and come to these levels, all-time highs towards that. Anyway, if you want to take a trade, then that would be the good area to take a trade here. That's another good area, and this another area. With smaller time frame and confirmation, you can always make a profit. Don't just blindly trade on the levels. It's better to see some sort of confirmation. And I leave that on that note. I leave it to you. I hope you have a good trading day. Thank you. Bye bye.